Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Shipping containers are not just 20 feet or 40 feet steel boxes. They are the foundation for a modern, alternative, and livable home at a fraction of the cost of traditional construction, if you know how to build it right. Today, I'm showing you the entire professional process of how we built this shipping container home, from the structural foundation to the specialized insulation. Stick around until the end for the final reveal. You truly won't believe this started as a cargo crate. Now, let's move to site. Site preparation and setting out. Before breaking ground, perform your due diligence. Consult with your local planning department to verify zoning and land use requirements. Once you have confirmed project viability, secure the necessary building permits. Only then should you begin your foundation work. Selecting the right foundation is critical to the longevity of a container home. There are several options available, and I highly recommend consulting with a structural engineer to determine which best suits your specific soil conditions and site requirements. For this build, we have chosen a concrete slab foundation. We will explore alternative foundation types in future projects. Now, let's excavate the topsoil to remove unstable organic matter, then replacing it with a layer of engineered aggregate, in this case, sharp sand. We'll then compact this material to create a dense, stable subbase for our foundation. Installation of damp-proof membrane DPM. Pouring of 2 inches or 50 millimeters lean concrete, blinding. Installation of foundation formwork. Ensure your formwork is braced and secured properly to prevent a blowout during the concrete pour. Placing 2 inches or 50 millimeters concrete cover. Time to set the reinforcement. Always verify your rebar size and spacing against your structural engineering plans. Following these specifications exactly is critical to maintaining the structural integrity of your foundation. Fixing of chairs or horse benches where necessary. To securely anchor the container, we are installing steel embed plates directly into the concrete slab. These plates act as the interface between the container's corner castings and the foundation. By welding the containers for bottom corners directly to these plates, we ensure the structural load is transferred safely to the foundation, preventing any shifting or lateral movement. Precision is non-negotiable at this stage. We are meticulously leveling and aligning the embedded plates to match the exact dimensions of the container's corner castings. This alignment is critical. Even a minor deviation here will make it impossible to secure the container properly once the concrete is poured. These secondary anchors are designated for the timber posts supporting the external veranda. It is vital that these remain aligned with the primary structure to ensure the entire porch deck is properly supported. Pouring of 10 inches to 154 millimeters foundation slab. Ensure proper vibration. Formwork removal. Ensure proper curing of the concrete slab. Foundation inspection and approval. With the foundation cured and the anchor plates accurately set, we are ready to position the shipping container. This is a precision lift. We will guide the unit gradually onto the foundation, ensuring the container's corner castings align perfectly with the embed plates while adhering to all necessary safety protocols. Weld the corners properly to the embedded plates to preventing shifting or lateral movement. For this project or any container build, I strongly recommend sourcing one-trip units. Whether you are using a 20-foot, 40-foot, or a modular combination, one-trip containers are virtually new, ensuring maximum structural integrity and long-term durability for your home. Now, we reach the most critical phase of the build: structural modifications. Creating openings for doors and windows is a high-stakes task because the container's structural integrity relies entirely on its corner posts and corrugated steel walls. To maintain the unit's load-bearing capacity, every cut must be reinforced with a professionally welded steel frame before any material is removed. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Now that our structural openings are complete, I am temporarily removing a section of the roof decking. This allows us to maximize natural lighting and provides a clearer vantage point for the camera to document the intricacies of our interior floor and wall framing. Framing and insulation of the floor deck. Note: steel conducts heat and cold instantly, making insulation your home's most critical system. To avoid climate control failure, check your local climate zone map before you buy. Selecting the right materials for your specific environment is key to a comfortable, energy-efficient home. Shipping container wall framing and insulation. Ensure you nail and secure the frames properly. While installing your 2x3 or 2x4 framing, ensure that electrical and mechanical rough-ins are completed concurrently. Coordinating these systems during the framing phase is essential for maintaining accuracy, optimizing interior space, and avoiding costly rework. With the wall framing complete, we move to the ceiling assembly, framing the joists and installing the insulation system. Now that we are done with the internal framing, let's close back the top panel so we can start roof construction. Installation of timber post. Plumb, secure, and stand it vertically. Now, let's quickly construct the roof. Installation of wall plate. Weld or screw the strap to the container frame. Then to the wall plate. Installation of roof trusses. Secure all joints properly. Fixing of string lines to install and align purlins. Installation of purlin overhang. Installation of purlin. Installation of fascia. Installation of corrugated roofing sheet. Installation of ceiling. Installation of doors and windows. Installation of handrails. Exterior finishing and final detailing. We have successfully completed this container home project from the foundation to the final finish. This is only the beginning. However, we have a series of unique designs and alternative foundation methods planned for upcoming builds. I want you to be a part of the process. Please leave a comment and let me know which designs or features you'd like to see us tackle next. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks. Thanks for watching.